Welcome, fam. Woke up feeling tight in your hips, stiff in your back, and sluggish through your core? That's not just poor sleep, it's your body holding on to yesterday's tension. Let's hit the mat. We're starting deep inside the hips, because when the inside is stuck, nothing on the outside flows. From a low squat, drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and switch sides slowly. I promise this will unlock internal hip rotators, protect your knees, and prep your pelvis for movement. Beginners, use hands to stabilize your weight. Advanced stretches keep your torso upright and slow it down. Most people never train internal rotation, and that's why their hips feel blocked. Can you drop and hover your knee just above the ground? Try it now. Now let's switch on your core. Lie on your back, arms up, knees bent 90 degrees. Slowly extend your opposite arm and leg, then return. This isn't about reps, it's about control. Can you move without losing your spine's position? I promise this will activate your deep core, stabilize your back, and rewire the way you move under stress. Beginners, tap your heel instead of fully extending. Advanced stretches, hover the leg just above the ground. Let's play a game. 3 slow reps without letting your lower back lift. Can you stay solid? Stay with me. Good, because the next one's about power. That just reconnected your core. Now let's drive from the ground up. Lie flat, one knee bent and the other leg extended. Press your heel and lift the hips. Squeeze at the top. This is where control meets strength. I promise this builds glute strength, corrects imbalances, and protects your lower back from overworking. Beginners, do regular glute bridges with both feet down. Advanced stretches, hold at the top for 2 seconds each rep. Right side first, squeeze and lift. Every rep, think drive through the heel. Switch sides. Can you feel a difference between them? Hold your last rep 5 seconds. Stay tall, stay stable. That just built balance. Now let's bring in mobility. Stand tall, drop into a deep squat. Place one hand on the floor or grab your ankle. The other reaches up into a T. Rotate and open. Then switch. This is the bridge between control and freedom. I promise this will open your hips, activate your spine, and reintroduce rotation. Something your disc job stole. Beginners, keep your heels lifted or hold onto support. Advanced stretches, sink deeper and pause longer in each rotation. Don't rush this. Feel each vertebra unwind. 3 more reps. Let your breath flow with movement. That just unlocked your back. Now let's finish where it all began. Kneel or stand, hands on your hips. Slowly draw circles with your hips, forward and around, then reverse. This is your reset moment, your full body release. I promise this will mobilize your hips, ease your spine, and reconnect you to your rhythm. Beginners, keep the motion small. Advanced stretches, close your eyes, slow it down, and feel each layer shift. Let's turn it into a challenge. Can you make the next circle bigger, smoother, and more relaxed? Now reverse. Still feel tension? Breathe into it. That just realigned everything. Now let's talk about what happens next. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles or joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily straight flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset, weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.